Bye, Malaysia!
Oh yeah, good riddance.
Hello from Thailand. That doesn't sound right.
Can you hear us? Can you hear us? Fucking gear fell off. It just fell right off. Like it wasn't even supposed to be on there.
This is it. We are officially starting our trip, leaving Malaysia and heading towards the Indian Ocean. Farewell, Malaysia! Bye!
See you later, guys!
Yeah!
Oh, I like that one.
Bye!
See you guys later.
See you! Thanks, bye!
Maldives?
Yes!
Oh, thanks.
Driving out of the marina. Last time in a marina for perhaps 2-3 months maybe. Time for the adventure to start. Bye, Malaysia!
Oh yeah, good riddance.
We are officially out of here. How's everyone feeling?
Really good.
Woo!
Still too hot.
Still too hot, yes.
There.
Hot.
We've just arrived at Koh Lipe, right at sunset. We're going to anchor here for the night. Get some yummy curry and papaya salad. And then we start crossing the Indian Ocean maybe tomorrow or the next day, depending on how the wind is. Enjoy!
All right, guys.
Cheers!
Cheers to this
yeah.
Thailand. Koh Lipe.
Thailand!
Cheers,
Oh,
guys. Well done. Cheers.
This morning we woke up to a strange sound and we thought it was a long-tail boat hovering around us. Turns out it was a wind generator.
Didn't sound too happy.
Nope. And Wiki has taken it apart to hopefully find out what's wrong with it.
I already found it. It's in my hand. I just need to repack that bearing with grease.
Oh, there you go!
Yeah, too easy.
Too easy. Shit's getting done.
But I'm measuring it because I'm gonna buy new ones and have spares on board.
You think we can find it here?
No, definitely not.
Oh, okay.
Nope.
Do you
Jeez,
need
that's
me-
a strong magnet.
Oh, yeah. Do you want me to write down the size or something?
Yeah, the measurements.
Yeah, measurements.
16.
Got it.
That was it.
That was it!
Now grease it and put it back together.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
And then you're gonna start pulling the wires from here.
Yeah.
And then when you see the yellow,
Yeah.
the wire is there.
I'll try to get a little bit out.
Yeah, just be careful and
Yeah.
try not to pull the string off.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me get
Right.
us there.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna pass it to you.
Same as it came down.
Yeah.
Alright.
Food prep day. Woohoo!
Yes.
So soon we're gonna try and cross the Indian Ocean, going to the Maldives. And what we're doing right now is we're trying to prepare some food because it might be hard to get stuff done in the galley while we're underway. So we're preparing some stir fry and some sauces, some things that are easy to heat up and put over rice, noodles, or whatever, so that we have nice and easy meals while we are doing our ocean. Woohoo!
Yeah.
Smells good. Yeah.
Fresh vegetables.
What are we making, chef?
Fresh tomato sauce for the pasta.
Ooh.
Yeah. It's really
That's really
nice.
good.
Fresh onions.
Oh, it's making me hungry.
Yeah. It smells good.
We are racing the anchor. We're leaving na.
For Maldives?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Boat's moving and we're going. Huh?
How many days?
At best, maybe. Oh, this is really shaky. At best, 7 days. At worst, 10 days.
I hope it's at best.
Yeah.
Weather is all good naman.
So far, there's no wind, but we've yet to get out to the Indian Ocean. I don't know how long the signal will hold for. I'm standing at the bow of the boat, the very front of the boat, talking to you guys. So hopefully the signal stays on for a little bit more. But we're sailing directly into the sunset right now, like pointed straight at it.
Nicobar Islands. Oh, hello Tara.
We're in India!
We are?
Yeah, we're in India.
You sure?
Well, this is the southernmost point of India. We're at the Grand Island of Nicobar, and it's beautiful. It looks untouched. It looks pristine. Too bad we can't go to shore to explore it.
Why not?
Because we're here because we have an emergency.
Oh, right, the emergency.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But truly, our autopilot kind of conked out earlier. Our bed's gone. So what are we fixing this time, Wiki?
Yeah, well, Otto went and took another bender. You know, Otto from the Simpsons bus driver?
Oh, that's right.
Hey, you kids, calm down. I just got back from a bender. Yeah, that's our driver. His name's Otto, the autopilot. And he goes on benders.
He needs help.
Just really hope I can fix it with the parts I got.
I thought you switch it out with new parts. No?
I put some new parts in, and I thought that would be enough to Cape Town, but something's broken. Fucking gear fell off. It just fell right off. Like it wasn't even supposed to be on there. New belt, all new gears. Gear fell off. It looks like it's stretched. It is stretched. Okay.
Do we have a spare?
I got a spare, but it's a damaged spare. Hopefully it's better than that one. Can I help you?
Is it arts and crafts day?
Oh yeah, it's today is make a plastic washer out of a yogurt lid to fix the autopilot.
Wow, creative.
See if it works.
How does it fix it?
Well, it's a little hard to explain. The belt pulley is getting caught up against the housing, and then it twists the belt, which pushes the smaller pulley off. So this will keep the larger pulley away from the housing, which will help keep the smaller pulley back on, where it's supposed to be. That's the idea.
Nice, creative.
Let's see if it works. Thanks.
It was short but sweet. Farewell, Nicobar.
Yeah. Bye-bye.